Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this investing app, which is ELLEVEST. So to get started, in 2025, ELLEVEST has officially phased out its investing app and robo-advisor services, shifting focus to financial planning and wealth management for women. While it once offered automated investing with gender-aware portfolios, those features have been migrated to Betterment. It remains ELLEVEST subscription-based model offering access to online banking, financial education, and one-on-one coaching. The bank features like FDIC-insured checking, saving, and roundup tools are still active, but not itself no longer useful for investing. User feedback has flagged issues like slow withdrawal, difficult account transfer, poor customer support, and high monthly fee that don't scale well for small balances. And here's a overall conclusion about this platform. ELLEVEST is now best for women seeking financial coaching and simple banking tools, not investing. So if you want easy portfolio management, strong returns, or better customer service performing like platform like Betterment or Fidelity may serve you more better. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this investing app and how it can help you generate or boost your portfolios. And that's it.